The Rx100 is right now converted into Rx115cc because we have poured the piston to 54 and the engine has been rebuilt back again with the stock crank, and we have got the head cut and the packing cut according to the piston size. The packing comes much more smaller, but the packing cut, we even got a head cut. You can see so much part. The head was cut from here till here, and we got the packing according to it cut. We cut the head and the packing to 54.5 since we are running a 54 piston, and the engine work has been done almost. I just have to fit the head, put a new set of clutch plates and run the bike. Eventually in the next part I'm waiting for the inbuilt chamber to put on the bike and do a little bit jetting in the carb. So let's see how it runs, how she runs.